Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we are making some fluffy and delicious soft yeast dinner rolls. These are perfect to make for Thanksgiving and you'll be in charge of bringing these rolls every holiday, okay? Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's bake. Alright guys, let's get started. For this recipe, I am using my stand mixer, but of course you can certainly make this by hand. It's just going to require a little elbow grease, okay? I'm going in with some bread flour, granulated sugar, salt, a package of instant yeast, an egg, some softened butter, and some milk. And guys, excuse my nails here. I was painting earlier this particular morning and struggled trying to get it all off, okay? I have all of my ingredients in, so now I'm going to attach my dough hook and let it mix everything together until combined and our dough starts to come together. Alright, our dough is coming together somewhat. Me and bread making, y'all, have a love-hate relationship at times. Sometimes it gives me zero problems, and then times like this right here, it annoys me, okay? As you can see, my dough is very sticky and it's sticking to the sides of the bowl, and that is not what we want. So going in with some more flour to help it come together completely. As you can see, I'm going in with it a little at a time until my dough soaks up that flour into where it's not super sticky. Now right here is almost to how I want it, but as you can see, the bottom is still a little sticky, so I'm going in with a little more flour and we'll be good to go. Alright guys, I finally got my dough to how I want it, so now I'm going to knead it for about 8 to 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Here we are about 8 minutes later. My dough is perfect. It's smooth, elastic, and pliable, so now we're going to let it proof. I greased my glass bowl with some vegetable oil to keep the dough from sticking, and I also lightly greased the top of the dough as well. I'm going to cover my bowl with a kitchen towel and place it in a warm spot so that it can rise for about 45 minutes to an hour or until it's doubled in size. Here we are an hour later. I'm dusting my cutting board with some AP flour. As you guys can see, our beautiful dough has doubled in size. I'm going to punch it down and plop it right onto my board here. I want my rolls to be about the same size, so to make it easier for portioning, I'm going to divide it in half lengthwise and shape both halves into logs. Alright guys, now I'm going to divide my dough into squares and just round them off to my liking. Now you can certainly leave them in squares like how they do at Texas Roadhouse if you prefer. guys, I got my rolls rounded off and ready to go. Now since I did use the rapid rise instant yeast, I technically can bake them off from here, but of course some extra. So I'm actually going to cover them with my kitchen towel and let the dough proof or rise again in a warm spot for about 30 to 45 minutes or until they're doubled in size. Alright guys, here we are 30 minutes later. Our rolls are nice and doubled. I'm going to brush the tops with egg wash to give it that nice golden brown color when baking. Alright guys, my oven is already preheated to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to let these babies bake for about 20 minutes or until they're nice and golden brown. Alright guys, here we are 20 minutes later. As you can see, our rolls are beautifully golden brown. I'm going to brush on some honey butter while they're nice and hot, and then we'll be ready to eat. And here's our final product, buttery, soft, and super fluffy, and I can't forget, so good. Now, of course, I could have made this myself, but oh well. I grabbed me a package of this better butter, cinnamon brown sugar butter, and peeled one of these babies open, y'all, and tore that roll right on up, okay? Y'all just be sure to go ahead and put your two to the side before you put it on the Thanksgiving table because they will get gone super fast, all right? Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to bake with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below some recipes you guys want to see for Thanksgiving and Cookmas, because y'all know that's literally right up the street, okay? Follow me on all my social medias, even though I'm slacking, and I'll see y'all in the next video.